The chemicals which we are going to use in the synthesis of benzoic acid are benzamide. We are going to use 5 grams of benzamide. So this is the nature, that is, it is available in the form of white crystalline powder, benzamide. Next we are going to use 75 ml of 10% sodium hydroxide. Then we are going to add the porcelain pieces, glazed porcelain pieces we are going to add in the preparation, in the procedure we are going to use to avoid the bumping of the solution. That is, when the solution gets excessively boiled, at that time there may be chances of cracking the conical flask. For that purpose we are going to add the porcelain pieces. And the glasswares which are used, we are going to use conical flask of 250 ml capacity. Then we are going to use the funnel for the filtration purpose, beaker, glass rod, measuring cylinder. So these are the different chemicals and glasswares which we are going to use for the experimental purpose. So the first step is that we are going to transfer 5 gram previously weighed benzamide to the 250 ml capacity conical flask. After that we are going to add 75 ml sodium hydroxide solution. We are going to dissolve benzamide in the sodium hydroxide solution by occasionally and frequently shaking. After that, when the contents gets dissolved, then we are going to add porcelain pieces, glazed porcelain pieces into the solution. And we are going to keep this reaction mixture closed by the stopper into the water bath for about 30 minutes. To occur the reaction, the time required is that 30 minutes. That is, benzamide, it reacts with the sodium hydroxide, and when we heat this solution, when we boil this solution for about 30 minutes, at that time the reaction gets completed and formation of new product, that is benzoic acid, takes place. The reaction mixture is boiled for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we are going to cool this reaction mixture in ice water bath. We are going to keep this reaction mixture for approximately 5 to 6 minutes in the ice water bath. After cooling the reaction mixture, we are going to add concentrated hydrochloric acid in the reaction mixture until all product separate out. The product which is formed is in the white powder state. Dropwise addition should be done and precaution should be taken as formation of fumes takes place. Addition of concentrated hydrochloric acid should be done by taking great care. After that, the reaction mixture is again cooled in ice water bath for about 10 minutes. The compound is filtered from the funnel, and the product which is formed, you can see the product of benzoic acid which is formed is in the crystalline state. But as it contains some impurities, we are going to purify this product by the process of recrystallization. So recrystallization, this is the process in which purification of the product is done by taking the organic solvent. It may be water, then sometimes alcohol, ether, chloroform. This can be also used as the solvent for the process of recrystallization. We are going to dissolve this product in a sufficient quantity of alcohol, and we are going to recrystallize this product. Dissolve the filtered product into sufficient quantity of alcohol. After that, we are going to keep this recrystallized product in the water bath, and we are going to stir it until the crystallized product is formed. The stirring is continued until all the alcohol which is present in the beaker gets evaporated. First, the product, it gets soluble in the alcohol, and after that recrystallization takes place. You can see the formation of the crystals has been taken place into the product. So this product, which is totally free from the impurities, and the crystals are formed in the product. You can see the corners of the beaker in which the formation of the crystals has been taken, as well as inside the beaker the crystals are formed. That is, this product which is formed, which is synthesized from the benzamide. So synthesis of benzoic acid has been done. Finally, the product which is formed is totally in the pure form, and formation of recrystallization has been taken place.